Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. Today we're making super easy Cajun shrimp mac and cheese. This recipe is so delicious, y'all. The only thing I regret is not adding more shrimp. Let's cook. Alright, let's get started with our cheeses. I have some sharp cheddar, smoked Gouda, and mozzarella. Anytime I buy my cheeses for my mac and cheese, I always use the block cheese. I prefer to grate my own because I find the shredded cheese has a waxy film that I do not like on that. Alright y'all, so let's make this cheese sauce. So I'm going in with my butter and my flour, and we're making our roux. This is very important. So we're going to stir this around for 1 to 2 minutes. You want to cook that raw flour taste out of that. Once it's mixed around, we're going to go in with our half and half. You're using milk, going with your milk. But I'm going in with it a little bit at a time because we're introducing something cold into something hot. So I'll go in with a little bit of my half and half. I'm whisking constantly, so I'm removing those clumps out. Once it's nice and smooth, we'll go in with the rest of our half and half.
Perfect.
Alright, so I have my buttered casserole dish. I'm just going in with my macaroni noodles, then with my shrimp, and then topping it off with cheese, and just repeating that process. However, you can just mix your shrimp in with your pasta in the pot and just pour it all into your buttered casserole dish and do it that way.
Perfect.
Alright, y'all, this is it, fresh out of the oven. I just, of course, garnish. I always overuse stuff. I just garnish it with some fresh parsley. Like I said, the only thing I regret is not having more shrimp. But when I tell you, super easy, super delicious. Your family's gonna love it. Why use a box recipe when you can do it yourself, y'all? That's it. Y'all subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below what you want to see me cook next. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. See y'all in the next video.